wanted to share with you guys what it's like to actually get a car from Lamborghini. Not just one, two. Hi everybody. So we are on our way right now to Sterling Lamborghini. I got my boy AJ in the back.
What's up, guys?
And we are on the way to fulfill a long conversation and an investment of mine into Go Exotics. I'm really excited about Go Exotics. Go Exotics is an exotics rental company. The part of the fleet that was missing is a lot of the great Lamborghinis, and we went over there the other day. They had a great deal on a 2017 Huracan, low mileage. It's beautiful. It's Grigio Lynx with Nero and like a Corsa Rosa blood interior. Beautiful, beautiful car. And we also bought a what is this? Nimbus, Grigio Nimbus, I think is the other one. Is silver.
Silver, metallic silver. Urus.
Yeah, I think it's Grigio Nimbus is the name of it. Decent spec, not overly spec, because you know it's a rental car. I think the list on it was $235 or something like that. It's got black interior, yellow stitch inside with yellow calipers. Not my yellow caliper thing, but again, it's a rental car, so it'll be cool. But it really, actually, the yellow accent's really nice on the silver. One of the great things I think about exotic rental car companies, and I'm sure, you know, if you talk to Houston or talk to any of the guys in the business, a lot of their business comes from their standard, and AJ, you can jump in here anytime, but it comes from their standard stuff like weddings, proms, gifts from wives for their husbands, anniversaries, and vice versa. Hopefully the guys give a girl an opportunity to go drive a supercar because they're awesome. And the thing that I find what's interesting about it is I personally like the idea that you can go and try a car out, test it, see if you like it, enjoy it, and then make a purchase on that kind of car. It's a lot cheaper, obviously, to go and buy a car, to test drive a car and then buy the car that you like. You may not actually like it. So if you really like it, you can go make a good deal. Maybe there's certain things you don't like about the car. Like my first adventure was when I went to Vegas and I got to test drive 458. And I loved the 458 and came home in a week and a half, 2 weeks later, I bought one. Corsa Rosa, black wheels, just an evil car. I loved it. And there's a lot of opportunity to try different types of cars. I mean, for 1,500 to, I'd say, what's the max rentals?
The Urus is the highest one, which will go out for $2,500 during the summertime. So
yeah, so I mean, the Urus is an amazing car. You've seen a lot of people picking up Uruses on the channels. You know, Mike Street Speed picking up his for his girlfriend. You know, we have one. Obviously, we're driving one right now. I love this car. This car is absolutely insanely perfect. I know it sounds strange. It's a Lamborghini and all that. This car is dead bolts reliable. It's a daily driver. I've got 16,000 miles on it, and we've never had a service issue with this car ever.
This thing can definitely dust the Huracan as well.
Oh yeah.
So that's amazing as well.
Yeah. I'd say yeah. It's comparable to the Huracan. The Huracan will get it on the top end because of the weight.
Yeah.
But this thing can keep up, and we've taken this thing on Tail the Dragon, and it handled the curves, it handled the speeds. I mean, I was all over a 488 on Corsa Rally, and you know, I remember the guy coming in and saying, "Who's driving that damn Urus?"
Urus, dude, was phenomenal.
Dude, that thing is ridiculous.
That mother, dude, he was banging on my back door. I'm getting all my flying back and forth. Awesome.
Huh?
Awesome, dude. In a minivan, dude.
This has become a quintessential rally car.
Right.
This will always, no matter what rally we go on in the future, whether it's us or somebody else, there will be one of these on the rally.
Right, and you know, I hate to say it, I loved riding the Wraith, but when the Wraith gets damaged, like the windshield, it is obscenely expensive to fix things. But you know, it's still awesome. It's a Wraith. But this car has everything too. I mean, it's got all the electronics, got a great sound system, has the massaging and heating, cooling seats.
Yes.
So you know that's where Jimbo falls asleep over there.
Oh, constantly.
And you know, and it's nice too. You know, when I drive the SVJ, I love it. I can drive the SVJ for days, but sometimes I just want a little break, or I have to do conference calls or something like that. I can, you know, right now we got. Oh, look at that. That's messy. But I can turn this off right now, put it in Strata mode.
That's quiet.
It's dead that's quiet.
That's quieter than a lot of like modern day economy cars.
Right, exactly.
So that is impressive. What other cars do you have in your fleet as well now?
Yeah, so we have the Rolls Royce Ghost, the Rolls Royce Wraith, Audi R8 Spider, Maserati Gran Turismo. Now we have the Huracan, we have the Lamborghini Urus, and we also have a yellow Huracan as well. So that's the second
Two
Huracan.
Huracans.
Yep. And definitely these will all be going on rallies too. So if you guys see Savage Rally, we'll be providing the cars for them. And then,
That's good.
yeah, and any other rallies that these guys go on and you guys want to experience the cars, and if you guys are in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, definitely come out, rent the cars. Basically experience what you guys see in the videos through Savage Garage.
There you go. Yep. And also, it's important to note, a lot of rental companies won't rent to people if they know they're going to do rallies.
Exactly.
So it's
yeah.
good that you guys do it.
Then,
It's awesome.
Yep, we do rallies. And I know you guys have a track day, so we're already prepared for that. And I mean, it's included in the pricing, but you guys get to have fun with the supercars on the track, which a lot of companies don't let cars go on the track. So
Right, you have to go to specific places that have rentals, and it's, I mean, for 5 laps in a car, it's like, you know, $300 I think is the cheapest, and all the way up to like $500 or $600.
Oh, it's obscene.
For exotics.
It's obscene.
But it's, again, both experiences are very cool. But it's also, you know, especially if you're considering buying a car, you want to know what its mannerisms are like. You want to know what people are going to react to around you. You know, if you're looking to buy something that's, you know, pure track focused, or you're trying to buy something that's kind of baller, or you're trying to, you know, find that in-between car.
What's it like in traffic? What's it like on the track?
Right.
You know?
What's it like to park?
Yeah.
You know,
for some people, just the comfort of getting in and out of the car.
Absolutely.
Because I know some people rented from us. They rented a Huracan, and they were absolutely in love with the Huracan. But once they rented it, they were like, we would rather drive the Audi R8 versus the Huracan. And it's just that they got to drive both cars. They tested it for a day, and now they fell in love with one car that they thought they would hate. And especially like a V8, because they wanted to go through all the gears and everything like that. So people, it changes. It depends on, you know, what people think versus once they actually get into it. Yep.
The attention's very different too with those cars. Like the R8 is the car that if you want the Huracan or like kind of like Lamborghini Performance, but you don't want everyone to constantly be whipping out their phone.
Yeah.
You know, it's a very different thing. Some people
the
don't
R8's
like that
way
attention.
more comfortable too.
Yes.
So
yes.
it has cup holders.
You're right. It does have cup holders.
does the Huracan have cup holders?
The one we bought actually has the option cup holder.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so
that's nice.
Yeah, it has one cup holder.
So, anyway, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna pick up the cars. Where are they gonna go afterwards?
They are gonna go from here. They're gonna go do some film, get some pictures, I'm assuming, or something like that. And then from there, they're gonna go over and be stored at the Auto Corral, but they're available for rent immediately. And we're excited about it. Here, Hunter, you can...
You take the ribbon off and an alarm goes off.
Oh, yeah.
I guess I'm
All
not early
freshly
enough.
detailed.
She got so defensive. For a
Lo
second.
love having that alarm going off in the background.
Oh, wait. Oh, put it back on. I'm serious. Put it back on. So we are at Lamborghini Sterling right now. I thought I'd share a little something with you because it's kind of fun. Most people, you know, in this world, they get to buy their first new car or whatever. They get to have that experience. But I wanted to share with you guys what it's like to actually get a car from Lamborghini. Not just one, two, because we just bought two. So we have lovely Tina. Tina is going to unveil our first new car. There we go.
This is nice. Oh, dude, look at the cup holder. That is nice.
This is my favorite part of the Lamborghini, the cup holder.
Right there.
This is it right here. This is the selling part right here.
That's why you got the car?
This is why.
Right
You
there.
gotta place your drink.
Guess what that is?
We need to grab one of those,
It's an
Hunter.
Audi.
Hunter,
It's the world's greatest.
we gotta grab that bow before we leave.
They only have two.
We need to grab another
Why
one.
not have one? You can have two.
They only have two.
I know, which is why we should take it.
Because I really actually dig the interior. The interior on this is very racy. It's very it contrasts the other.
I'm not gonna lie, we did try.
She was pretty oblivious at first. I just kind of, she was wrapping up the thing. She like smiled at me. I walked past her. She just turned around and went.
Next time we'll get it. How many cars do we need to buy to just get one? Like,
So thanks again to Sterling Lamborghini for the great day. This is what it's like getting my two new cars delivered. The boys are gonna take them over to the car corral. I'm gonna go make a living, have some meetings. We'll talk to you soon. Bang.